Welcome back, friends. This is me and my daughter Olivia. We both have come to use newly purchased vehicle wash pressure machine, the gadget which I purchased from Facebook. So we're going to use it today. You're going to help me, right, today? Yes. Okay. So let me first connect it and then I'll try using on my 7-seater SUV. So let me start with connecting this gadget back in. So this is the gadget, basically the pressure pump. I connect this hose to it. It's connected. This is the pressure wash tube which releases the water out. So the nozzle is connected. Let me see if it is tight. Yes, tight. Connected. Let me now connect the battery to it. So which I said I have charged it. So this is Bose style. This two batteries had come along with this machine when I purchased it. So let's see if it works. Yes, it works perfectly fine. It's 5 liters of water. I have put a little bit of soap to it, added to it, immerse this thing into it, and let me see if it works. So what I'm going to do is that since this is a big vehicle, I'm not sure whether all the water will be needed or maybe I need more than this. So let me just try. So what I'll do, like I'll first start from the front, from the bonnet, and then I'll go to the other side so that first all the dust is released. Right? So let me. I've done one full round of my vehicle, so you could see like I have used up around 5 liters of water with the initial first step. Now what I'll do is I'll take a cloth and then clean this part. So let me clean it, wash this cloth a little bit. I'm just like trying to wipe the soap out from my car. Then again I'll use normal water. really good experience for you. Basically, like you don't have to spend money on the car wash service area where they charge maybe like the bike maybe but it's, at least you are able to